Machine learning, what it is and why it matters to you. Ever wonder how does Netflix always seems to know what you will love next? How do emails land straight in your spam folder before even open them? And how do self-driving cars stay on a track without human help? That's all thanks to machine learning. But here is the thing. This isn't just for a big tech companies. In the next few minutes, I will show you how anyone, even you, can understand and use machine learning in your everyday life or business. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of MatrixPix. We believe tech should work for you and not confuse you. So in this video, I am answering 3 of the most common questions about machine learning in a simple real-world way. Each one connects to challenges many of us face, whether you are running a business, managing a team, or building something your own. As we go, think about how these situations might apply to what you do. Question 1. How can machine learning help things grow? Think of machine learning as a tool that finds hidden patterns in data and uses them to make smart decisions. Let's say you run a fashion e-commerce site. ML could look at customers' browsing and buying habits to recommend the right clothes, like how Netflix suggests what to watch. If someone loves pastel dresses, your site could highlight more pastel items, automatically boosting clicks and sales. Ask yourself, if my system could figure out what people love most and what could I offer better? What customer behavior could I track to suggest smarter options? You don't need to build from scratch. Tools like Google AI or Shopify plugin can help you do this with just few clicks. Question 2. How does machine learning save time? Think about repetitive tasks that eats up your day. Machine learning can automate a lot of them fast and accurately. Say you run a logistic company with multiple daily deliveries. Instead of manually planning routes, ML can analyze traffic patterns, delivery locations, and timing to suggest the fastest, most fuel efficient paths, saving your hours every single day. Or let's say you manage customer service at a travel agency. ML can scan hundreds of incoming messages and instantly flag the ones that needs urgent attention, so your team can act faster and smarter. Think about, which of my tasks feel repetitive? What would I delegate if I had a smarter assistant? Question 3. How does machine learning make things automatic? This is where ML really shines. It doesn't just help you decide, it helps you do automatically. Let's say you work in a real estate. ML can sort through your incoming leads and prioritize the ones most likely to convert based on property type, budget, and response time, so that your sales team focuses only on the most promising leads. Or maybe you are a marketer for a cosmetic brand. ML can automatically segment your audience and send personalized product recommendation based on purchase history and preferences. Ask yourself, what process in my business could run better on autopilot? Which tasks don't need a human touch anymore? Let me give you a quick challenge. Pause the video and think of one thing you would love to grow, speed up, or automate using machine learning. Got it? Jot it down, or better, drop it in the comments. I will reply with a tool or a tip you can try right away. So what's your idea? What's one daily challenge machine learning could solve for you? Comment below, I will help you brainstorm ways to make it happen. If this video helped simplify machine learning for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you see that machine learning isn't just for a tech giants. It's something anyone can use to work smarter. I'll see you in the next one.